my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a powerful magical anti-aging remedy that will work wonder in whooping out all of those dullness on your skin, whooping out all of those roughness, and you are going to be having a really glowing and beautiful skin. So let me walk you through in this video, but also you also have to remember that there are things that actually cause quick or early aging, okay, which is smoking, which is dehydration, which is lack of sleep. It can be also genetic, okay. So and this one, which is genetic, you can take care of the third one by avoiding all of those stuff, okay, and using this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you in this video, and it's going to be whoop, super, boom, and you are going to be loving your skin. Now let me walk you through the video. We're going to be needing banana, guys. Banana is an anti-aging remedy. It treats acne, lightens dark spots. It is also a great oil absorbing and controlling property that helps to soften the skin. It is a great moisturizing mask that hydrates and moisturizes dry skin, making it soft and supple. We're also going to be needing yogurt. Yogurt helps moisturize the skin. Yogurt is a great mask that rejuvenates and hydrates the skin. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, fights acne, fades blemishes and pigmentation. It sorts sunburns, treats skin infection and reduces dark circles. So it's going to be very perfect in making you look really young. And then we're going to be making use of rosemary. The nutrients in rosemary help protect skin cells from damage, often caused by the sun and free radicals. Since rosemary has natural antiseptic property, it's superior disinfectant for our skin and hair. The essential oil is known to promote a healthy, moisturized scalp and reverse premature aging. And then we're going to be making use of milk. Now, milk is loaded with the lactic acids. It helps to reduce pigmentation, help to heal dry skin, hydrates the skin, heal acne and relieve sunburn. It can be used for a basic face mask, okay, and it's also a great remedy that works wonders in anti-aging and making you look ageless. So for the banana, guys, we're gonna be peeling that all up. Actually gonna be putting that into a blender, or we can as well just mash it all up with a very small tiny mortar. Alright, so I have to transfer the banana into the small tiny mortar and mash it because it's actually very soft, so it's going to be easy to just mash out. So here is a pounded banana and then we're gonna grab another bowl and turn in the milk, about 3 tablespoons of milk. Put in 2 pinch of rosemary, and then we're going to keep this for like 30 minutes for the rosemary to induce into this milk, okay, and I'm going to be right back. So while waiting for the rosemary to induce into the milk, I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of yogurt into the banana and give it a stir. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for another 20 minutes for the rosemary to infuse inside the milk, and then I'll be back. So now it's ready, and I'll be getting a sieve or a strainer, and then I'll strain this into the mixture. Now I will have to mix this all up. And this is how it is. Now the consistency should be this friendly, okay? Alright guys, so here is the treatment. Okay, this is a powerful anti-aging remedy, and yes, banana is one natural remedy that helps so much for the skin. Okay, it has been helping me a whole lot. Alright, so you have to spread this generously onto your face, okay? I'm just going to literally just pour this all over my body and scrub all my body with it, okay? Yes, the smell is very ideal. It is really perfect. Okay, so after you've done that, you would have to, give it a little scrub, like a very gentle scrub, okay? This is actually going to help, to unclog your clogged pores, remove all of the white heads, and make your skin really glowing. Alright, so after doing this, then you can actually wait for like 5 to 10 minutes, okay? This is actually very friendly enough for you to wait with it, okay? It's very friendly. And then you can go and wash it off with you can wash it off with a lukewarm water, or you can just wash it off with a normal water, okay? It's gonna be really perfect. Alright, and yeah, so I'll go wash mine off. So that's it guys, apply it. You can actually apply it all over your body, okay? And it's going to really work very well. You have to give it a little time to see a massive and visible result. And your skin is going to be bomb. Your skin is going to glow. Your skin is going to be powerful, okay? And you're going to be loving it. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, and mwah.